Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to force the 120Hz refresh rate on your Poco X7 Pro and how to fully customize it so you can get the perfect balance between smooth performance and battery efficiency. And this guide is simple, beginner friendly, and we will walk you through every option that you need to know, so make sure to follow along with until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your settings and then just scroll down until you find display and brightness. This one, just tap on it. And then inside this section, just scroll down until you find refresh rate. This one. This one. This is the main place where you can control how smooth your phone feels during everyday use. And once you enter this refresh rate menu, you will get two modes, default and custom, like this. For default mode, the smooth automatically switches between different refresh rates based on what you are doing. It's mainly designed to save battery while still keeping the phone smooth enough for normal use. And then for the custom mode, if you want to manually control the exact refresh rate, this is the options that you want. You can just tap custom, and then on here you can select on 60 Hz for good longer battery life, or just 120 Hz. They're perfect for smooth animations, fluid scrolling, and overall faster feel. And then to force the phone to always run at the maximum smoothness, just simply tap on 120 Hz. And then once you tap it, your device immediately refreshes the entire system. And then next, here's the part that many users don't know. Even when you set the phone to 20 Hz, some apps might still run at the lower refresh rate unless you manually tell the system to force high refresh rate in those apps. And to do that, just stay inside the refresh rate settings and then just tap on app using high refresh rate, this one. And then in here you will now see a complete list of installed apps on your phone. From here you can choose exactly which app that should always use 100 Hz. Just toggle on any apps that you want over here. Just tap on your apps that you want, and then just take note if you are someone who wants the smoothest experience while still maintaining battery efficiency. You can mix both modes, that force 120 Hz for your most used app, and then just keep others at default to save energy. And okay, that's it. That's everything you need to know about forcing 1000 Hz and customizing your refresh rate in your Poco X7 Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.